So I want to thank the company for sending me this Germ Geek, the keyboard cleaner. So for this, you do turn off the power of the keyboard. I already turned off my keyboard. And then you press down. You can use 2 pumps if required. You get all, that's how you get the cleaning fluid, which is the alcohol base, onto the brushes, which are right here. And that's going to clean your keyboard. And since it's alcohol based, it will dry quickly. You remove the cap, move the brushes lightly over keys and keyboard in a circular motion. Okay, so let's give this a shot. So here we go. We're gonna give it a pump. All right. Here we go. It's like circular motion. I mean, I was spinning it, which is probably not what they were meaning now that I think about it. So let's do it this way. I think this is more what they mean. Oh, you can see the dust coming off of it. So really fast and simple. And as it sits there, it's kind of drying. So you don't need a lot of alcohol. I did pump it once before I opened it because I wasn't sure what I was doing. But it is drying. So as you can see, it dried really nicely. It looks a lot better. It cleaned up really well. So, and it, you know, the alcohol didn't even damage any of the white lettering. So it's safe for your keyboards, and I recommend it. It worked out. It worked great. So it was easy to use, like it says, and it works great. So I recommend it.